Okay, BFam is back after a few days. I've been in the trenches, handling business. Been a bit busy, people, so that's why I haven't done a video for the past, I think it's about 9 days. You know, sometimes you get busy out here, people. Life is busy, man. It's crazy. It's hectic at times, not all the time. But anyway, yes, I got some more jewels for your bags. So go to the kitchen, run and get your big liner, your bin liner, and open it up because I've got some stuff to put in there. Right, so for those who don't know, you can now go onto Binance. If you don't have an account with Binance, link in the description of the video. But what you need to do is go to Binance and get some free money. That's what you do, people. Earn some free crypto through learning. So they have a list of a few videos about different types of cryptocurrency assets, and you can watch them, answer a few questions afterwards, and if you get a particular number of them right, you will get paid some crypto into your wallet just for doing that task, people. So get in while it's there. You know, things do not last forever. Things come, things go. So get in where you fit in. What's next? For all my PulseChain and PulseX family out there, a lot of us may already know that the testnet is up and running. It's been up and running for the past few weeks. I have not gone onto it yet to play around with it, but I highly suggest that anybody that is involved in either of these projects, PulseX or PulseChain, or both, go to this YouTuber site, K4K Crypto, and on his channel he will guide you on how to swap your MetaMask settings over to the testnet of PulseChain, where you will be able to see your PulseChain tokens and your PulseX tokens on the testnet, and you will be able to play about with the different functions within it. So people, go and muck around with the PulseX and PulseChain stuff. Get your hands dirty. Get used to it. So when the platform does launch for real, you will be heads up in the game and you will know what to do from the get-go. So get pre-prepared, people. Get pre-prepared, ready for the big launch of PulseChain and PulseX. All right, what's next? Now, if you want to crush it in this market, if you want to crush it in this market as a newbie or somebody that's been in this game for a hot minute, what you need to do is go to getorex.com and read up everything that is on this website. Please, it is totally free to sign up, my fellow Ethereans. Digest everything on this website. Click every link and eat it like it's your Sunday dinner, please, because this is one of the biggest tools that you can have in your crypto portfolio arsenal to crush the market, people. Smash it out the ballpark, hitting pure nines out of the baseball park. That's what you need. You need this in your portfolio, and for the mere fact that this is free, oh my days, people, I will pay for this. If there was a price on it, I will gladly pay, because BFam has been testing this thing out for the last 5-6 weeks, and people, this is a money printer. Woo-hee! This is a money printer. Jeez. For all my traders and investors, I don't care who you are or if you're in between those two, you need this in your bags, right? This is what it does. Now, mind you, I've been only using the Orex indicator on this platform. Just the one indicator. They've got a few other indicators, but I haven't even been using them. I've been obviously using the standard MACD and RSI. Cool. But it's the Orex indicator that absolutely is the icing or the cherry on top of the cake, my fellow Ethereans. Right now, I'm looking on Bitcoin on stroke USDT on the Binance. Every green triangle, this is a weekly chart, mind you. Every green triangle, it's telling you this is a opportunity time to buy. High probability, give or take. When you see a red triangle, it's telling you it may be wise to take some profit off the table, or it may be wise to get into a short position and make money on the way downtown, people, in the trenches. So this is a weekly. Right now it's saying people, it's not confirmed yet because the week has not ended yet. It will end in around 10 hours, give or take. But if this triangle stays green at the end of this week, in a few hours, it's saying there's some more downtime to be had in Bitcoin. I know some people are saying, oh no, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at 40 grand. And right now, according to this, it's saying we could come down a little further, maybe to 37. Hopefully we touch 37 and hold it there. If we go below then, oh my days, people, oh my days. But if we go to the daily chart and have a look, let's see what's it saying on the daily chart. 1 second, and we click day. The last 2 days, it came up with a green triangle. So on the shorter time frame, it's saying, hey, BFAM, it may be wise to gain a position around these levels. Now, it's very sticky, people, because as I said, in the last 2 days, it's saying, yo, put a buy in. But on the weekly, it's saying, yo, we're going down. So it's a bit of indecision right there. Me personally, I ain't doing a move right now until the week ends in a few hours. I ain't doing a trade on Bitcoin right now. I'm just letting it do its thing. It's been too indecisive for me. Sometimes the best way to trade is not to trade, people. Just sit down and wait to let the asset tell you what it wants to do. But my point being, the Orex indicator stroke the Orex platform will aid you in your investment stroke trading journey big time, especially if you know the basics of trading, or if you are a professional trader. If you're really up there, this will just add to your knowledge. So please go and check out the Orex indicator. Now, what's going on with token metrics? If you don't know what token metrics is, people, go to token metrics and sign up with this platform. It's another AI, artificial intelligence platform that helps you save time when you're researching all these different types of NFT stroke cryptocurrency projects in the market. It cuts out the time and makes your time much more efficient, because that's what we want, people. We want to do things more efficiently. So I'm a member of Token Metrics, and as I said, there's a link in the description. If you want, sign up with that link and you get a slight discount with Token Metrics. Now, they recently sent me a NFT cheat sheet. Basically, it's telling us a heads up about a few NFT projects that have been minted recently, and a few up and coming projects. Now, minted projects: Imposters, Genesis, Aliens. This project is by a YouTuber called Elio Trades. He's big in the game. I've got some of his super farm tokens for the long term. It ain't going nowhere. He ain't going nowhere. He's a sound dude. But he's recently dropped his NFTs for his game called The Imposters. AAA social gaming metaverse that is player owned and powered. I ain't gonna read the whole thing, but this is what Token Metrics is scoring it. 8 for the community, 9 for the team, 9 for utility, pure high scores. Total score 81%. The team is composed of over 30 engineers and builders with experience working at AAA studios, including Epic, Roblox, Pixar. People, this is massive, absolutely massive. Talking about strong fundamentals, people. That's what we like. That's what we like, right? Okay, so I ain't gonna read the whole thing, but my point being, the mint date was the 8th of March at 0.69 of an ETH, so just over half an ETH. The current floor price now is 3.1 ETH. Woo! We love those gains, people. We love those gains. We love crypto. I don't know about you. Oh, so what's next? Origin's Access Pass. It has scored 80% according to Tokens Metrics. What's the word? Criteria. That's it. My mind went blank for a minute there, people. Anyway, I'm not going to read all of it, but my point being, let's scroll down to the date, mint date. It was first minted on September, 0.1 ETH, and the current floor price is 2.9 ETH. More heinous gains. People, now, these two projects have not minted as yet. So this is pre-mint. And we have the Lunar Ticks. I've heard about this still. And let's scroll down. The mint date is the 20th of April, which is in about 3 days' time. And the price will be 0.08 of an ETH. And then we have the second project, Everseed Avatars, and the mint date is the 20th of April again, and this is on Solana, and the price is going for 1 Solana, people. So around $100 for this project to mint it at the beginning. So people, go and check out these NFTs projects if you want to. Token Metrics has notified us to say, yo, Ether9 family, my fellow Ethereans, go and check out these 4 projects if you find them to have any value, not financial advice. Go and jump in like a gorilla, right? Go on, ape in. Ooh, ooh. Don't lose your shirt, people. Don't lose your shirt, because you know crypto already. Now, another project that I mentioned a few weeks back was this project here, Illogics. And I said at the time, you could have minted this project for free, people, if you got onto the whitelist, I think it was. And all you had to do is pay for the gas fee. Right now, the floor price is 0.18 of an ETH. Not too shabby for something that you got for free. And apparently, they've got a coin that is associated with the NFT project called Goop. And you can stake these Illogics, and I think you get paid out in Goop. Don't ask me what it's for. I ain't got to there yet, people. I ain't got there yet, but I will do over time. So that may be a reason why at this present moment in time there has been a lot of action happening with this project, people. As you can see from the activity, there has been plenty buying and selling going on. And let me just give you a heads up. If you're gonna buy any of these NFTs, remember, you could always put in a offer when you see the price. So for example, the price is 0.18 of an ETH. If you find one and you click on it, you could make a offer, people, and put a low ball offer. So you could say put 0.1. So you don't want to pay 0.19. Put 0.1, and you can do that with multiple different NFTs within this platform. Any illogics you can put, even if you just have 0.1 ETH on your wallet, you can make an offer on multiple illogics, and whoever accepts your offer, hey, that's it. So that's a heads up. You don't have to have like one whole Ethereum to make a 0.1 offer on 10 different Illogics NFTs. No, you can just have 0.1 ETH in your wallet, and whoever accepts your offer, that's you. So, and that's a good way to buy these NFTs for real under market price, below the market price. And if you do happen to buy one at 0.1 ETH and the floor price is 0.188 of an ETH, if you buy it at that price, you can immediately list it back on the market for 0.18 of an ETH. Boom, profit there, people. Instant profit there. Someone buys it, bang, money in the bank. Remember, you are the bank. Anyway, so that is Illogics, or Illogic. Right. My brethren, Mr. David Rubenstein, big time billionaire. Me and him go back, way back. I'm only joking. But hey, another billionaire is aping into crypto. So, according to CNBC, private equity billionaire David Rubenstein says cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are here to stay. Now, this article came out May the 20th last year. But I know some of you may be saying, man, that's old news, man. That's old news. Let me tell you something. Old news to people who already know. But for those people that don't know, it's new. It's very new. And considering that this market is very small, it's new, people. It's new. So, this is just putting some more conviction for those people who have just come across into this ecosphere. It's giving you conviction to say, look, do you think these billionaires are saying this for some fads, for some joke? Follow the money, people. Follow the money. This brother believes in cryptocurrencies he believes they will remain a part of the financial landscape for years to come, dismissing concerns that the I can't even read that word, Onin asset. What's that word, people? I'm mash up with these words, man. Some of these words. Let me try again. Burgi Onin. Mate, I've really messed it up. Don't worry about it, people. Basically, this asset class is a fad destined to fade away. No, it's not a fad. That's what the sentence is saying. It's saying it is not a fad. In an interview on Squawk Box, Rubenstein said he personally invested in companies that facilitate crypto trading, although not the digital tokens directly. I did that in part because I think it's here to stay. Cryptocurrency is not going away, just like gold is not going away. People, what more can I say? What more can I say? It's giving you and I more facts to say, listen, or more conviction, or more fundamental to say, listen. This thing is not going anywhere. We're here early. I mean, this, as I said, this came out May 2020. Sorry, May the 20th, 2021. Nearly a year back. So he said it's here to stay. And right now we're in April 2022. 11 months down the line. I think cryptocurrency is here to stay. for the time being. Well, as long as I'm alive, I think it's here to stay, people. I think it's here to stay. Anyway, what's next? Nexo, for all my Nexonians. My Nexonians. For all those people who have a Nexo account, what you can do now is apply for a Nexo debit card, crypto debit card, people. You can spend without selling your crypto, the holy grail. Ah. You like that one, right? Serious, you can spend your crypto without selling your crypto. How heinous is that? It's like me saying you can spend your money without selling your money. Oh man. You know, I wish I could spend my money in Santander without spending my money. What a great, that's so great. It's so great. You know, I spend all my money and I still get the money. Marvelous. But now we can do that with cryptocurrency. That's why we love Web3 and where we are going in this decentralized frontier. There's no turning back, people. Get your card and spend. Just don't spend it all where you got to sell your stuff and get liquidated, right? Be careful, just be careful. Anyway, go and get your card, people. Go and get your card. The more cards, the more crypto debit cards you have, the more the merrier. The more the merrier, people. What else is going on in crypto land? I'll tell you what's happening. My man, one of the big time black directors, African, Nubian, whatever name you want to say, Mr. Spike Lee, is aping in to the NFT industry, people. That's right. Mr. Spike Lee, the big time director, with his first movie that came out back in 1986, She's Gotta Have It. All you men out there, get your mind out the gutter. Yo, stop thinking like that, guys. Come on. I don't mean that she's got to have it in that way. Come on. Right, listen. He is aping into NFTs. He's launching a collection of NFTs of that film. Basically, She's Got to Have It. And he will be releasing his collection in collab with the Visible Project and the Habitat Labs. I have no clue who and what they are. I got to do a deep dive on that, people. But my point being, people, look who's aping in to NFTs. This is major, man. Come on, this is major. I mean, as I've stated long time, NFTs ain't going nowhere. But I'm just giving you a heads up on Spike Lee to give you a more of a conviction, like say, here what, some of you maybe don't even know Spike Lee, but some of us do. And this is a big deal. It's a big deal, people. It's a big deal. So, go down the rabbit hole of his project and you may find some value and you may pick yourself a NFT coming from the Spike Lee camp, and maybe in a few years that NFT that you bought from Spike Lee's project will earn you some nice Ethereum in return. So, get in while you're fitting. Now, what's going on in the overall market of cryptocurrency right now? Because right now, this last week, people, has been a bit. It's been a bit. There hasn't been much going on in terms of price wise. Well, there's been a few, but Bitcoin itself hasn't been doing nothing much, man. Bitcoin has been messing people about. But that's what she does. We still love you, Bitcoin. We love you to infinity and beyond. It's okay. So, but the market has been kind of quiet overall today. The weekends are normally kind of quiet, especially because I guess maybe we're in the Easter weekend. People are out chilling with their friends and family, gone on holiday, etc. So there hasn't been much activity going on in terms of price action, people. But obviously behind the scenes, there's always activity going on. So Bitcoin's at 40 bags right now, 40 grand. Ethereum 3 bags. Binance, when I say bags, I mean thousands. For those people that don't know what I'm talking about, I say bags. What are you talking about, B-fam? Bags? Plastic bags? Handbag? No, I mean grands, people, grands. And I say 40 bags, I mean 40,000, 40 grand. Okay? Please, listen, let me make that clear. Anyway, yeah, so the market's alright. It's alright still. It's alright. Look, I don't, as I said, BFAM does not mind what the market does, whether it goes up or down or merry-go-round. As long as I'm alive, I've got my health and I'm here, I've got some skin in the game. That's all I am concerned with. As long I have some skin in the game, then I'm good to go, people. I'm good to go. Anyway, let me wrap up the video right now. Just a quick heads up. And all my Nubians out there, my Africans out there, or people that are just interested in African culture. You don't have to be, you know, an African, a Nubian to come down and shop at our clothing and our foods and all them things there. Come on, people. White Chinese, you know you love us as well. You know you love our style. You know you love our swag. Don't deny it. Don't deny it. Anyway, for those who do, go to nashat.co.uk. Pick up your garms. Pick up your health stuff. Pick up your great books. The most dynamic books on the planet. It will blow off your mind if you're not careful. For real. And as seen it is Easter, you people, you need to know, or it might be a good idea to gain the history, some knowledge about the origin of Easter, people. Because it's good all well celebrating these holidays, but have you asked the question, what is the origin of Easter? How did Easter come about? Some of you may know. Some of you may not. May not know. And even if you do know, there's always more to know. So, go and check out the fallacy of Easter, people. It's a fallacy when you get into the nooks and crannies of it, people. It's a fallacy. Where can you get this book? Go to scribd.com. scribd.com. For free. Or you can sign up and pay a few dollars a month and gain access to all the audio books and the ebooks. For free, people. For free. For free. Well, only for a little fee. But I think for the first 30 days, you get everything for free. For free. Anyway, go and check out this book. Please. If you are the type of person that likes facts. In fact, you should be the type of person that likes facts, because blockchain is all about transparency and truth. If you didn't know, now you know. Blockchain is all about transparency and truth. So if you are in the blockchain crypto space, you should appreciate these types of books that give you and I factual information on whatever subject. Whether it hurts our feelings or not, take it with a pinch of salt, people. Right? Is that the word? Is that the right saying? Just take it. Don't duck from the truth, people. Don't duck. Go and verify. That's what blockchain is about. Verification. Alright. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Plenty more to come, as you know. For all my newbies, welcome. Welcome if you're new. If you're not new, welcome anyway. Make sure you check out all the previous videos that BFAM has done in the past. Why? Because on each one of these videos, there's diamonds, rubies, pearls, emeralds in each of these videos that will help you on your cryptocurrency journey of 9 lives. Okay, BFAM, I got to love you. I got to leave you. But make sure you give me a like or a dislike. Make sure you click the notification bell. Make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. Give me some feedback. Okay? And make sure you enjoy your whole life, people, because we are on a journey of a lifetime. in this existence. I don't know about you, but I'm having a... Don't get me wrong, life is ups and downs. We all go through our ups and downs in life, no matter what is going on, no matter how much money you have or don't have. We all go through our ups and downs. But overall, we have to stand back and say, whoa, life is absolutely a rock and roll, people. We loving this thing here. We are loving this existence, this metaverse that we are in. Anyway, enjoy your Sunday afternoon, and BFam will catch you very, very soon. Peace and love. Peace and love.